Hey everyone, this is Sky, back with another video of unboxing Amazon Kindle Paperwhite. Now I know this device has been launched so many years ago, but for those people who still have not put their hands on this, you will after watching this. So let's wrap open this device. The call came in the middle of the night. I wonder whose call it might be. Now this Kindle costed me almost $90, that is rupees 6,000 from Amazon. It does not have a built-in light or 3G support, which costs more of course. Ooh, that paper finish feels so awesome. So without further ado, let's open this. I need scissors for this. And here it is, the white version of the Kindle. Look at the detailing Amazon has given in the packaging. Come here. First, let's have a look at the contents of the box. So here's our user manual in all different languages. Let's keep this aside. This is about warranty, recycling information for Indian customers, and here is our USB data cable, but no wall adapter it seems. So you will need to charge it with your USB port, and it is 2.0. Let's see if we have anything else in the box. Nope, that's pretty much it. So now let's turn on our device. I must say, despite its size, it feels so light, like a smartphone. The screen has a matte finish, it isn't smooth like a glass. The texture on the back has a plastic feel and it has this engraved Amazon logo on it. It comes with built-in 4 gigabytes of storage and also supports Wi-Fi. On the bottom we have micro USB charging port, the power button and the LED notification light. Pressing the power button and it is booting up. Choose the language, English, next. The touchscreen uses capacitive screen and the e-ink display. Let's give this a moment to set things up. Now the Kindle has prolonged battery life of over 4 weeks and can accommodate about 100,000 books in its memory. In order to use the Kindle, we need to connect it to the Wi-Fi. Once you are done with that, you need to register your device through your Amazon account to get access to the Kindle store. The home screen has a nice graphical user interface with large thumbnails. In the notification area, you can see your Kindle information, Wi-Fi status, your battery life, and the time. Below that is your toolbar where you can see the home button, back button, shopping cart button, the search button, the good read buttons, and a button for additional features. In the settings option, you will find information about your airplane mode, Wi-Fi networks, device registration, and few other options. It has this vocabulary builder feature in it, which lets you see the meaning of words while you are reading it, and then stores it here as flashcards for building your vocabulary. The e-ink refreshing rate is quite slow, but it looks decent. In fact, this is what gives it much it's such a prolonged battery life. It even has a soft copy of its user guide where I can show you the reading experience. By tapping on a word shows you its dictionary meaning, and if you swipe right you can even see its Wikipedia page, and another swipe will give you translation options. Here you can see tapping on different areas of the screen gives you different functionality. Tapping on the top brings your toolbar options. So overall, the Kindle is a must-have device if you are a regular reader, and in terms of design, functionality and reading experience, it's way better than reading from your smartphone or tablet and from a paper version of a book itself. So give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.